Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Al-Munir High School e-learning system nursery class. Today we are going to write 71 to 80. First we learned that how to write 71 to 80 on your Al-Hira maths workbook. So you have to take out your Al-Hira maths workbook for the work. First we learn how to hold a pencil. Number one is put your thumb, as you can see in the picture, put your thumb and your forefinger just above the cone shaped part of the pencil. Number two is let the pencil rest between your thumb and the forefinger. Then put your middle finger, this is your middle finger, then put your middle finger underneath for support. So this is the right way to hold the pencil. 71 to 80. First we drill the counting. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. How to write 71? Write 7 in tens place and 1 in units place. As you can see in these lines, there is a T and U. T stands for tens and U stands for units. So write 7 in tens place and write 1 in units place. This is the way we make 71. How many tens are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens and 1 1. So 71. Now how to write 72? First count how many tens? 7 tens. And how many ones? 2 ones. 72. Then how to write it? Write 7 in ones in tens place and write 2 in units place. To write 72. 73. Now how to write 73? Write 7 in tens place and write 3 in units place. To write 73. Let's count the tens. These are 7 tens and how many ones here? 3 ones. So 7 tens and 3 ones are altogether 73. 74. 7 tens and 4 ones are 74. Now how to write 74? Write 7 in tens place and write 4 in units place. Write 7 in tens place and write 4 in units place to write 74. 75. 7 tens and 5 ones are 75. And how to write 75? Write 7 in tens place and write 5 in units place to write 75. 76. 7 tens and 6 ones are 76. Now how to write it? Write 7 in tens place and write 6 in units place to write 76. Now how to write 77? Write 7 in tens place and write another 7 in units place to write 77. 7 tens and 7 ones to altogether 77. So this is the way to write 77. 78. 7 tens and 8 ones are 78. Now how to write 78? Write 7 in tens place and write 8 in units place to write 78. 79. 7 tens and 9 ones are 79. So how to write 79? Write 7 in tens place and write 9 in unit place. Write 7 in tens place and write 9 in units place to write 79. 80. Now how many tens these are? Is there any ones? No, there is no ones. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. Here are 8 tens. So 8 tens are 80. Now how to write 80? Write 8 in tens place and write 0 in ones place to write 80. Okay, now let's start. Count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Count with me. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. 61, 62, 63, 64. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. So how many stars? These are 80 stars. Okay, now we have learned 71 to 80, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. Let's till 1 to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. So we have done our drill 1 to 100. Okay, nursery class, you have to write your counting from 71 to 80 on your Maths Al-Hira workbook and do practice of these numbers and learn it and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.